Happening today, the judge in the Tyler Robinson case is expected to rule on two defense motions. One, asking to close portions of a July hearing to the public, while another looks to hold a state prosecutor in contempt for making public comments about evidence in the case. Robinson's team also submitting a new filing looking to reverse the judge's decision to allow cameras in the courtroom. The media doesn't want them there, or the defense doesn't want them there, I should say. Joining me now is criminal defense attorney Ken Belkin. And let's start with the blocking media access. You heard about the appeal I just mentioned. We're expecting a decision today from the judge on this hearing. Have you ever seen a defendant and his attorneys be so aggressive in trying to limit media access?
Well, Todd, thank you for having me, first of all. I mean, it is a little bit egregious. I think, look, he's a defendant in a criminal case, a very high-profile criminal case. He has an interest in seating a fair and impartial jury, as does the court and as does the prosecution. But the reality is, in a case of this magnitude, who are you going to find that has not heard about this case and has no preconceived notion about the facts and the evidence in the case? It's very difficult to seat an impartial jury. But the reality is, we live in a free country. Our court proceedings are open to the public, and they should be.
How do you expect the judge to rule on this motion?
I think there is a problem. The prosecution, directly talked about the evidence in the case after the judge imposed a gag order in September of 2025. So I think there is a problem. There's possible contempt, although I think it was de minimis. The case is already in the news, almost every day. And I think people are reading about it and seeing it regardless of what either side in the court wants.
So it appears like you don't think the attorney's going to be held in contempt, and you do think that cameras will be allowed for the July hearing?
I think they're gonna have to allow press access. The extent of that press access is up to the court. Right. They could say, hey, we don't want videos. We'll allow you to take a few photos of the defendant and his attorney only, but that's it. But it's going to be up to the judge. They have to maintain decorum in the courtroom, and they have to ensure that Mr. Robinson gets a fair trial.
Part of me also thinks that this could be a play by the defense. They might almost want to lose these motions just so they can set it up on appeal after the case, after presumably a conviction, because in that instance, it's not a jury, it's like a panel of a few judges, and who knows, right?
Yeah, that's a great point. And in a murder case where it looks like we might be heading to a conviction, you're going to want to preserve every issue for appeal. So every motion, every decision that the court makes is an issue that you are potentially preserving for an appeal later on.
Let's switch gears, different topic entirely. Jill Biden making the circuit, former First Lady back in the spotlight, defending President Biden's controversial pardon of their son Hunter. Listen.
Joe said in the beginning, I won't pardon Hunter, I won't pardon Hunter. But then when Trump was elected, things changed. And we knew that he would target Hunter. And we just could not let our son go to jail on a charge that no one would go, no one has ever gone to jail for.
What she just said is incorrect. People go to jail on federal tax crimes and federal gun crimes all the time. And just to remind everybody, Hunter was found guilty of 3 felonies connected with his illegal purchase of a firearm. In addition, he pleaded guilty to 9 tax-related charges. Your reaction to what Jill Biden said?
Jill Biden totally lacks credibility at this point. I said 2 years ago that Joe Biden was going to pardon his son. The reality is there's very few things that Hunter Biden has done that people don't go to jail for. And I just want to remind you, she's out there promoting her book. She made this comment about Joe Biden and Trump's debate. Then she said, oh, I was so scared that Joe Biden was having a stroke. Well, you say that now while you're promoting a book. But the night of the debate, right, you said, you did a great job, Joe. You knew all the facts. I think it's pretty clear he didn't even know what room he was in.
And then they went to Waffle House afterward. I keep saying that. Like, if you think somebody's having a stroke, Waffle House is not the place you go. Waffle House is great, not after a stroke. You go to a hospital. But on this point, just quickly, I'll sum it up here. It wasn't right for them to go after Hunter. We had to do whatever we can. That's not right, because the rest of us don't have that capacity. If we do a crime, we have to do the time. And the fact that she said that, and the fact that the Joe Biden administration went after Trump people throughout the course of 4 years sort of really raises eyebrows there.
Yeah.
Ken Belkin, thank you, sir. Appreciate it as always.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube, and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.